Queen Isabella 2018, Zane and Deza Burrell, a graduate of BA International Studies at Far Eastern University. And this year's Miss Millennial Isabella.
Joseph Bugatti ka mo namin, Dabber Cats! Zane.
Zane.
What's my first name?
Zane. Zane, 401.5 kilometers away from Manila ang Isabela. Paano pumunta doon?
You can go to Isabela by land and by plane. By plane, it will only take you like 30 minutes. And by land, a minimum of 8 hours. And it depends on which town, in where town you're going, and on whatever circumstances you might face.
Kasi ang
on
laki
the
nga
way.
ng Isabela.
Yeah,
So,
it's the second largest in the
Tsaka maraming,
Philippines.
actually dalawa yan. Pwede kang Tuguegarao Airport, pwedeng
Yeah.
Kawayan.
Kawayan City.
Kung saan mo gustong mag-landing. Alright, so dubbed as corn and munggo capital of the Philippines ang Isabela. Ang top producer ng corn sa ating bansa. Diba?
Yeah.
Kaya nga meron tayong Bambanti Festival.
Bambanti Festival. It's-
every
Which
year.
is, what is it?
Bambanti is an Ilocano term for scarecrow. Yeah, scarecrow. Like, Isabela is the center of agriculture, so scarecrow kasi to drive away those pests that sumisira sa mga palay. So,
Yes. Every January
Yeah.
yan. Start of the
January.
year.
And
January.
since it's the second largest province in the Philippines, for sure marami ring scenic places na may
Yes.
offer ang Isabela.
there are a lot hidden.
Ano-ano yung mga yan? Share mo naman sa amin.
Top picks mo.
Okay, so my favorites are Stagno Island or the Honeymoon Island. I think it was featured here last time already. Yeah, that one, the Heart-Shaped Island.
Kasi heart shape.
Yeah. It's found in the Vilacan. It's one of the coastal places in Isabela. And we have the Magat Dam. It is the biggest water reservoir in the whole Southeast Asia.
Magat Dam. Next.
Blue Lagoon, the one found in Palanan. Palanan.
Pasire.
Also,
Ayan.
one of the coastal areas. One of the coastal areas also in Isabela. You can only go there by plane anyway. Yeah. And
Palanan.
what's interesting about this Blue Lagoon is that many people experts tried to like measure how deep it is, but they can't measure it. It's very mysterious kasi kaya siya blue, di ba? Parang sa dagat, yung blue part is like deep. So yon, even foreign experts, they can't measure. Tapos parang
Ganun siya kalalim.
Kalalim, yeah.
Pero light pa rin yung kulay niya, no? So, hindi mo
Kasi
alam.
normally sa dagat, kapag shallow, doon yung light blue.
Light color, oo.
Kapag malalim na, dark blue
Dark
na yan
na
kasi hindi
siya,
mo na makikita. Pero ito
oo.
light blue pa rin siya.
Yeah. Tunghayan natin ang malaray ng ganda ng aking probinsya. Tara na sa probinsya ng Isabela.
Just a Fugak, Tabarkads. Tara na't samahan niyo ako sa isang masayang adventure at masarap na kainan dito lang sa nag-iisa, My Isabela. Ang Isabela po ay mayroong 4 na coastal areas at nandito po tayo ngayon sa isa kung saan matatagpuan natin ang ating Blue Lake. The color of the lake is color blue. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Ito ay dahil naniniwala ang mga tao dito na ang lake na ito ay masyadong malalim. Ang Dikotkotan Beach ay nagmula sa salitang Paranan na ang ibig sabihin ay paglubog ng mga paa sa buhangin. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa nag-iisang homestay resort dito sa Palanan, Isabela, ang Bilay Makadawi, na ang ibig sabihin ay tahanan para makahuli ng isda. Ito ay tinatawag nilang buteng. Yung laman nito, ayun yung nilalagay nila dito. Pinagsasama-sama nila, sa kanila siya pinapausukan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Agta Village kung saan matatagpuan natin ang mga Agtas o ang first inhabitants ng probinsya ng Isabela. Hello, Lovercats! Eto ang Sangaeta Ilagan Sanctuary Park, which is one of the biggest ecotourism park in the whole Philippines. Alam niyo po ba na ang Ilagan Sanctuary Park ay kilala dahil sa napakaraming kuweba na nagtatago rito? One-of-a-kind dish na matatagpuan lamang po dito sa Isabela. Ang ating pansi de mangi. The noodles is made up of corn, which is the primary product of the province. From the corn and munggo capital of the Philippines, ang sentro ng agri-kultura, tara na tunghayin natin ang malaray ng ganda ng aking probinsya. I am Zaynan Desaparem, your Miss Millennial Isabela 2018.
Magsimula tayo sa
Corn bet.
corn betes.
Bilang
Ice cream
sinisimulan
made
na
up
ni
of
Alan
corn.
Kay.
Ito, we have petals. Ito, this one, it's petals.
Petals.
Kasi yung shape niya, parang yung petals ng flowers. Yung different colors. Yung sa gitna niya is ube. And then espasol. Ayan.
Sige,
Yeah,
kayo
kalamay
mag-sol.
monggo. Kalamay monggo this. Another layer. Tapos ito, kalamay monggo. Ayan. Tapos tikoy.
Punong-puno
Ang
yan,
dami.
ha?
And then sapin. And then kalamay corn yellow.
Nandiyan pa lang tayo, ha? Ang dami
Yeah.
na agad.
Ito, ano to? Pansi di...
Pansi de mangi. Ang noodles niya is made up of corn since corn is a primary product of Isabela. And then instead of using meat, we use mushroom, which is the primary product sa hometown ni
Isabela.
Miss Luan. Mushroom, Kawayan
Parang
City.
mushroom chicharon. Parang
A
gano'n.
breaded mushroom siya. Yan. So, yun yung twist niya. And then we have the very famous Pansit Kabagan.
Uy,
Featured
sarap!
from Kawayan City po si Miss Luan.
You
Aside
also have
from
cornbread, corn
Yeah.
tacos.
Corn tacos,
Na mukhang
also made up of
napakasarap.
corn. Gawa din po siya sa corn. And then, pastillas de mangi. Kung mapapansin nyo siya, it's color purple. Hindi siya yung typical yellow kind of pastillas kasi ina-expect mo corn siya. Kasi it's made
Iwan. Ito, ano to?
Bibingka po. From my hometown, Nagilian, Marias Bibingka. It actually got the award of Gawad Saka, the most agricultural famous entrepreneur in the whole Philippines. Kasi, ano siya, yung bibingka niya, malinamnam. So, it's a tradition in Isabela na kinakain siya kapag Holy Week. Kasi di ba nagfa-fast ka pag Holy Week. So instead, it's what we eat the whole day.
Oh.
Binalay.
Hindi, no
No meat. Yeah. So this is
Ang Miss Millennial Philippines ay hatid sa atin ng Pride with Fabric Conditioner. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
Vitamilk, balik bote, feels good.
Nescafe Creamy White. Mas masarap ang buhay pag walang pait. Mas masarap pumangon pag may Nescafe Creamy White.
At mag-uwi pa si Zane ng gift packs from Potency, the beauty of immunity.
kung gusto niyo pa pong makita ang malaray ng ganda ng probinsya ng Isabela, bisitahin niyo lamang po ang aking Facebook page for more information. At for more information, at itutour ko po kayo sa Isabela, madami pa po kayong dapat makita sa Isabela. At ako po ang magiging personal guide nyo papunta doon. Maraming salamat po.
And don't forget to use the hashtag MMPH Gora sa Isabela.